In the distant realms of the universe, where time folds upon itself and reality intertwines with dreams, there existed a dimension known as the nexus of creation. Here, the essence of life flowed through ethereal streams, connecting the thoughts of beings across galaxies. At the heart of this nexus was the Temple of Equilibrium, a sanctuary dedicated to the balance of all forces, physical, mental, and spiritual. In this temple, the energy of life pulsated like a heartbeat. It was a sacred ground where the ancient wisdom of the core of existence, the center of consciousness, resided. The High Alchemist, a figure cloaked in iridescent scales reminiscent of the reptilian kind, stood before the grand altar. His eyes glowed with the knowledge of millennia, reflecting the secrets of the universe. Today, we explore the intricate dance of elements, he proclaimed, his voice resonating through the hallowed halls. The energies of simplicity, stability, versatility, purification, and transformation weave the fabric of our existence, a tapestry rich with the potential for change. As he spoke, he summoned the essences of these elements, each representing a unique aspect of creation. The spirit of simplicity, a basic yet powerful entity, embodied creativity and transformation. The alchemist visualized it as a swirling vortex, drawing in energies from the surrounding cosmos. It was a reminder that from simplicity, complexity could arise. With a wave of his hand, he conjured the essence of stability. This long-chain entity represented strength and structure, a foundation upon which life could build. The alchemist observed how the molecules aligned, forming chains that shimmered with potential. From stability flows the spirit of resilience, he said, crafting intricate patterns in the air. It reminds us that even in the vastness of the void, we must anchor ourselves, creating pathways that lead to growth. Versatility emerged next, a sister to stability, embodying adaptability. The alchemist manipulated the essence, showcasing its ability to transform and fit into various forms. Versatility is the bridge between realms, he explained. It teaches us to navigate the complexities of existence, finding harmony in change. As the spirit of purification joined the ethereal gathering, its essence danced with the energy of life itself. The alchemist noted its dual nature, both a cleansing agent and a facilitator of transformation. Purification is the liquid of dreams, he mused, washing away the impurities of the soul, allowing us to connect with our true selves. Finally, the essence of transformation appeared, shimmering with alchemical potential. This is the catalyst of change, the alchemist declared. It binds disparate elements together, forging new paths and creating unity from chaos. As the elements swirl together, the alchemist orchestrated a cosmic dance. Each essence pulsed with energy, resonating with the frequencies of the universe. In this dance lies the essence of core movements, he explained. The flow of energy is crucial for our survival, just as it is for the stars and planets. The Temple of Equilibrium transformed into a grand arena, where the energies of creation merged. The alchemist watched as the elements collaborated, forming structures that mirrored the intricate designs of the universe. This is the manifestation of duality, he noted. From chaos emerges order, from simplicity arises complexity. As the cosmic dance unfolded, the alchemist felt the presence of ancient beings, the guardians of knowledge. They appeared as reptilian entities, their scales glimmering with wisdom. They observed the alchemist's work, their eyes reflecting the duality of their existence, creatures of both light and shadow. "Do you understand the significance of your creations?" one of the guardians asked, its voice echoing with authority. The essence of simplicity, stability, versatility, purification, and transformation connects us all. They are the building blocks of existence, the strands of the cosmic web. The alchemist nodded, feeling the weight of the guardian's gaze. "I seek to understand how these elements shape our reality," he replied. "How do they influence our journey through the cosmos?" The guardian smiled, revealing rows of sharp teeth. Every essence tells a story, it said. Stability teaches us resilience, versatility imparts adaptability, purification offers cleansing, and transformation reveals the power of change. Together, they embody the dance of life. Suddenly, a vision enveloped the alchemist. He found himself in a vast expanse of swirling colors and energies, each hue representing a different essence. The nexus of creation unfolded before him, revealing the interconnectedness of all things. He witnessed the birth of stars, the formation of planets, and the evolution of life. As he traveled through this vision, he understood the role of the core of existence, the center of consciousness that united all beings. It is the bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, he realized. Through it, we access the vast reservoir of knowledge. Returning to the temple of equilibrium, the alchemist stood before the altar once more. "I see now," he declared, his voice filled with conviction. "We must embrace the lessons of these elements, allowing their energies to guide us on our journey." The guardians nodded in approval. "Your understanding has deepened, but remember, knowledge alone is not enough. You must embody these teachings and share them with others." As the energies of simplicity, stability, versatility, purification, and transformation resonated within him, the alchemist felt a surge of purpose. He would become a beacon of wisdom, guiding others through the complexities of existence. In the end, the alchemist understood that the journey was eternal. The energies of creation continued to flow, shaping the universe in an infinite cycle. The lessons learned in the Temple of Equilibrium would ripple through time, inspiring countless beings to explore the depths of their own existence. With newfound determination, he stepped into the cosmic dance, embracing the alchemy of life. Each moment became a chance to create, to transform, and to connect with the vast tapestry of the universe. But as the alchemist embraced his path, the guardians posed a challenge that tested his resolve. To fully understand the essence of these elements, you must embark on a journey through the realms of existence, one guardian announced. Only by experiencing their power firsthand can you truly comprehend their significance. Your first trial will take you to the realm of simplicity, another guardian declared. Here, you will encounter the primordial essence of creation. Embrace its purity and learn to harness its potential. With a wave of their hands, the guardians opened a shimmering portal. The alchemist stepped through, finding himself in a serene landscape bathed in soft light. The air was thick with the essence of creation, and every breath filled him with energy. In this realm, the alchemist encountered beings of pure light, dancing and celebrating the beauty of existence. They exuded joy and harmony, reminding him of the simplicity that underpins the complexity of life. He joined their dance, allowing the essence of simplicity to flow through him. After a time, the alchemist felt a tug within him, urging him to move forward. As he followed the call, he arrived at the next portal, which glimmered with the essence of stability. "This will lead you to the realm of strength," the guardian's voice echoed in his mind. Stepping through the portal, he found himself in a world of mountains and valleys, a testament to the enduring power of nature. The air crackled with energy, and the ground felt solid beneath his feet. Here, he learned the importance of being grounded, of cultivating strength in the face of adversity. In this realm, the alchemist met beings of great stature, their forms resembling the mountains around them. They shared their wisdom, teaching him the value of resilience and the importance of building a strong foundation in life. He practiced this lesson through trials, climbing steep cliffs and navigating treacherous paths, always reminding himself of the strength he had gained. With the lesson of stability ingrained in his being, the alchemist moved toward the next portal, which shimmered with the essence of versatility. "Prepare yourself for the realm of adaptation," he heard the guardian's voice again. Crossing the threshold, he found himself in a vibrant landscape where the environment constantly shifted. One moment he walked through lush forests, the next, he was traversing sandy deserts. Here, he met beings who could change their forms at will, adapting to the ever-changing surroundings. Life is a series of transformations, they told him. To thrive, you must learn to flow with the currents of existence. The alchemist embraced this lesson, practicing the art of adaptability by becoming one with the shifting landscape. He learned to adjust his approach, using the environment to his advantage and flowing seamlessly with the rhythm of life. Emerging from the realm of adaptation, the alchemist stood before the portal to the realm of purification. The air shimmered with the essence of cleansing energies. Prepare to enter the waters of transformation, the guardian intoned. Upon stepping through the portal, he found himself on the shores of a tranquil lake, its waters sparkling under the sun. This realm was filled with beings who exuded serenity and grace, embodying the power of purification. As he approached the water, the alchemist felt a pull towards its crystalline surface. The beings of purification invited him to immerse himself in the lake, assuring him that it would wash away his burdens and reveal his true essence. Hesitant but determined, he stepped into the water. The moment he entered, he felt an intense wave of energy enveloping him. The water was cool and refreshing, a soothing balm that calmed his racing thoughts and worries. As he submerged, memories of past struggles and failures began to fade, leaving only clarity and insight. The beings of purification surrounded him, guiding him to release all negativity. This is a sacred space for renewal, they explained. Embrace the cleansing waters and let go of what no longer serves you. With each breath, he exhaled tension and fear, feeling lighter as he floated in the tranquil embrace of the lake. When he finally emerged, he felt transformed. The water had not only cleansed his body but had also rejuvenated his spirit. He realized the importance of purification, not just as a physical act but as a necessity for the soul. Armed with this newfound clarity, the alchemist prepared to face the final lesson. The last portal shimmered before him, pulsating with the essence of transformation. Step into the realm of change, the guardian's voice echoed, carrying the weight of wisdom. The alchemist approached with a mixture of excitement and reverence, knowing that this was the culmination of his journey. As he stepped through, he found himself in a world where colors danced and shapes morphed with every thought. Here, everything was in a state of flux, mountains turned to rivers, trees transformed into crystalline structures, and the air shimmered with potential. In this realm, he encountered the embodiment of transformation, a magnificent being of light that radiated power and creativity. "Welcome, Seeker," it said, its voice a harmonious blend of many tones. "You have come to understand the essence of change. Are you ready to embrace your role as a catalyst in the dance of creation?" The alchemist nodded, eager to learn. "How can I best serve the flow of transformation?" he asked. The being of light gestured towards a canvas of stars, each point of light representing a potential outcome. "Every choice you make sends ripples through the fabric of existence," it explained. "As you create, you also destroy, and as you destroy, you give way to new beginnings. Embrace this duality, and understand that every ending is a precursor to a new beginning." Armed with this wisdom, the alchemist experimented with the energies surrounding him. He shaped realities, conjured possibilities, and witnessed the consequences of his choices. With each creation, he learned the delicate balance between holding on to what was and letting go to embrace what could be. After what felt like an eternity of exploration and learning, the alchemist felt a pull guiding him back to the temple of equilibrium. He stepped through the final portal, returning to the familiar space where the energies of creation awaited him. "Welcome back, Seeker," the high alchemist said, a proud smile gracing his face. "You have journeyed through the realms, learned the essence of existence, and embraced your role in the cosmic dance." The alchemist felt a surge of gratitude. "I have seen the interconnectedness of all things, the power of simplicity, stability, versatility, purification, and transformation. I understand now that each essence has its purpose in the grand tapestry of life. Indeed, the High Alchemist replied. You carry within you the knowledge to guide others. It is time to share what you have learned, to be a beacon of light in the shadows of confusion. With renewed determination, the alchemist set forth from the Temple of Equilibrium. He traveled through realms and dimensions, sharing the lessons he had learned with all who would listen. He became a guide for those seeking balance, helping them navigate the complexities of existence. As he journeyed, he encountered various beings, some lost in the chaos of their lives, others yearning for transformation. He spoke of the power of simplicity, teaching them to find clarity amidst confusion. He emphasized the importance of stability, encouraging them to build strong foundations. He shared the wisdom of versatility, inspiring them to adapt and flow with life's currents. He highlighted the significance of purification, urging them to cleanse their spirits. And he celebrated transformation, reminding them that every ending leads to a new beginning. In time, the alchemist became a revered figure, a master of the cosmic dance. His presence inspired hope, encouraging beings across the galaxies to embrace their own journeys and awaken to their potential. As the years passed, the alchemist realized that his journey was far from over. He understood that the dance of life continued, and he was but one thread in the vast tapestry of existence. The elements he had encountered, simplicity, stability, versatility, purification, and transformation, were ever present, guiding him as he moved through time and space. He traveled to distant realms, encountering challenges and adventures that tested his resolve. He met others who shared his quest for knowledge, and together they explored the mysteries of the universe. The alchemist embraced the lessons of the past while remaining open to new experiences, understanding that each moment held the potential for growth. With every encounter, he deepened his connection to the core of existence, realizing that the journey was not just about knowledge but about love, compassion, and unity. He witnessed the beauty of diversity, learning from those who walked different paths. Each interaction enriched his understanding of the cosmic dance and reminded him of the interconnectedness of all beings. As time flowed onward, the alchemist knew that his journey would eventually lead him back to the nexus of creation. However, he also understood that his legacy would live on through those he had touched. The wisdom he had shared would inspire generations, creating ripples of transformation that would echo through the cosmos. And so, he continued his travels, weaving stories and teachings into the fabric of existence. He became a storyteller, a sage, a guide for those seeking their own paths through the universe. His name became synonymous with the essence of creation, a reminder of the alchemical power that resides within every being. In the end, the alchemist realized that the true essence of existence lay not in the pursuit of knowledge alone, but in the connections forged along the way. The bonds of love, empathy, and understanding formed the foundation of the cosmic dance, propelling each being toward their unique destinies. As the alchemist gazed upon the stars, he felt a profound sense of gratitude. The journey had led him to the depths of his own soul, revealing the beauty of existence. He understood that he was a co-creator in the grand tapestry of life, a participant in the endless cycle of creation and transformation. With every breath, he embraced the flow of the universe, honoring the lessons of simplicity, stability, versatility, purification, and transformation. The cosmic dance continued, and he was ready to embrace whatever came next, knowing that the journey was eternal and filled with infinite possibilities. In this mystical realm, where the boundaries between reality and dreams blurred, the alchemist found his purpose, to be a light in the darkness, guiding others through the vast expanse of the cosmos, celebrating the alchemy of life and the wonders that awaited them in the journey ahead.